Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by and seeing me. I just got home. I spent part of the day with my mom because she had to run a few errands, and she also wanted to stop and pick up some groceries. And we were in a different neighborhood than we're normally in, and we found this funky little produce shop which was really neat. And I haven't been doing big grocery shops lately because I've been trying to work through a lot of the stuff in my pantry to make sure that it's being rotated through. So I've been trying to work through my more acidic products like tinned fruit and tinned tomatoes and flour and that kind of thing. And I'll probably be buying more pantry staples, probably not until August or September when a lot of that stuff goes on sale, unless of course I see a really good deal on something, that of course I will get it. But this place that we were at today had some amazing deals and I scored some great products. So I will show you, I'll take you inside and I'll show you what I got. So here is my huge clearance produce haul that I got, and I did really well. I got this bag of carrots for $1.99, so I was happy to find that. And then I got this big bag of lemons, and these are marked down to $5. Now they're starting to get a little bit soft here, but I'm going to use these for lemonade, and you always need a lot of lemons when you make lemonade from scratch. So I was happy to get that. And then I've got about 8 nectarines here for $2.49. Some nice tomatoes for $3.99. I got a nice organic head of cauliflower for $1.99. Now cauliflower, especially the organic one in my area, they'll sell for $5 to $6 a head. So this is a great deal. And then I got 9 peppers for $2.99. Bananas were regular price. And look at this, I got this gorgeous 5-pound box of blueberries. Now these were just on sale. They weren't on clearance, but it was $14.99 for the 5-pound box, and that is a phenomenal deal for where we live. And then I also picked up this clearance package of potatoes, and these are all great. Like everything is in really good condition. And with these potatoes, because it's hot outside, I don't want to make them hot. I'm going to make a cold Italian potato salad with these. And this is a delicious recipe that my mom's been making for years and years. So I'm going to make that. So I have my little outdoor kitchen set up, and I use one of these little hot plates here that I plug in with an extension cord. And this one's a really good one because it actually gets hot enough to cook with. And a lot of hot plates, they're really more designed for warming, but this one is really good for cooking. So with this and the addition of our barbecue, we can pretty much make anything outdoors, and we can enjoy being outside in the garden. Now, this salad that I'm going to make is called insalata di patate. And what's unique about it is there's no mayonnaise in this salad. Since my family is from the southern region of Italy, lemons are also a common ingredient in a lot of recipes since they grow so abundantly. So this salad has a really nice fresh flavor, and it keeps well in the fridge for a few days, so it is the perfect make-ahead dish. While my potatoes are boiling, I just want to show you my gorgeous trees that are in bloom right now. And these are catalpa trees, and they bloom every year in July, and the blossoms smell so gorgeous. So here's our salad all done, and I also added some chopped onion, and this is such a wonderful flavor with the lemon. It just gives it a nice zing and a fresh flavor. Now, those lemons I bought are calling my name, and I love fresh homemade lemonade in the summer because it is such a nostalgic drink that our grandparents enjoyed. So as you can see here, I've juiced about 8 of them to make the lemonade, and I have the perfect thing to put it in. My friends Monica and Christina gave me this beautiful vintage pitcher, and I thought it was the perfect thing to use for fresh summertime lemonade. Thank you so much for stopping by and seeing me. I sure do appreciate you spending a little bit of your day with me. Stay well, everyone, and we'll catch you in the next one.